A bit of breaking news to bring to you right now on Links 007 TV Celebrity Scope. The wife of actor John Travolta has passed away, and that's Kelly Preston of breast cancer. She was aged 57 years old. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is the Links 007 TV Celebrity Scope, and we'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV Celebrity Scope. Actor John Travolta is in mourning at this time following the passing of his wife yesterday. It is unclear what led to the passing. However, it states that she was battling breast cancer for some time. So the actor confirmed her passing in an Instagram post on Sunday night. The model and actress Preston and Travolta, who is 66 years old, had been married for 29 years. So in a media report, it states John Travolta's Kelly Preston had passed away of breast cancer at age 57. The actor confirmed her passing in an Instagram post on Sunday night, writing, "Is it with heavy heart that I inform you that my beautiful wife Kelly lost her 2-year battle with breast cancer. She fought a good fight and a courageous one with love and the support of many." The former actress and model Preston and Travolta had been married for 29 years. They have 2 children together and they share this close bond throughout their relationship. Travolta added that Kelly's love and life will always be remembered. He stated that he will always remember her for her kind words and her kind gestures, especially to him and also her family. The actor have also stated that he'll be taking some time to be with his children who have lost their mother, so fans can forgive him in advance if they don't see or hear from him in a while. A spokesperson on the behalf of the family told a press or media house on the morning of July 12, 2020, Kelly Preston, the adored wife and mother, passed away following her 2-year battle with breast cancer. Choosing to keep her fight private with breast cancer, she had been undergoing medical treatment for some time, supported by her closest family and friends. She was a bright, beautiful, and loving soul who cared deeply about others and who brought life to anything she touched. Her family asked for your understanding of their needs of privacy at this time. Preston was born in Honolulu before going into study at the University of Southern California. She got engaged to Travolta in 1991 in Switzerland. The pair married in September of that same year. Her final post on her Instagram account was one that celebrated Father's Day, and that was in June. On their 28th wedding anniversary last year, Kelly called Travolta the most wonderful man she has ever known. She further added that John Travolta had given her hope when she felt lost and loved her patiently and unconditionally. As she was going through this difficult time, John Travolta stood by her and helped her fight a good fight. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our condolences to the family and friends of the late model and also superstar, and that's the wife of John Travolta. We're gonna leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop once more, and guess what, we're out for now for another one. Peace.